Radha Vallabh Sri Harivansh, let's see how to solve this question. This question based on the triangle properties. In this picture, so there are the two triangles. Here the QRS is the equilateral triangle and TQS is the isosceles triangle. Simply are you looking here, angle X equal to 47 degree and Y is the absent. So we need to find the value of Y in the degrees. So QRS equilateral triangles, in this triangles, all angles are the 60 degree. Here R and angle Q and angle S equals to 60 degree. And if I talk about in, you can take like the triangle TQS, which is the isosceles triangle. Here are you looking angle Q and angle here is both are angle Q and angle S. Here the equals format. Okay, so we can put here the X and the value of X 47 degree. So angle Q equals to, we can write simply the 47 degree. One thing you remember in the isosceles triangle, if two sides like the TQ and TS sides are the equals over here, so we can simply write angle Q equals angle S. That means proportional sides is the also equals, or corresponding sides angle is also equals. So on this basis here angle Q equals to 47 degree, and we need to find the value of angle Y, which is the bigger angles like R, Q, S. So if I talk in angles R, Q, S. Okay, so in this, there are two angles. This is the minor angles, and this is the some bigger angles. So simply we can write angle R, Q, T. Here, angle R, Q, T. This is the Y plus angle T, Q, S. Angle T, Q, S. This is the sum of the angle RQS, because this is the one bigger angles, and in this angles there are two angles, here the one and here the two. So we need to find the sum of these angles. So here RQS, this is the angles of the equilateral triangles, and in this angle there are 60 degree. So simply you write 60 degree equals to here RQT, here Y and TQS. Here we can write Q equals 47 degree. So on this basis, here Y equal 60 degree minus 47 degree equals to Y equal 3, 5, and this is 30. So Y equals to 13 degree. This is the final answer, and I got using the properties of the both angles. So this is the UPSC CSAT paper, and I have taken from that's the PYQ. So if you understood clearly, please subscribe and comments me. Till then, goodbye.